A reasonable life or a normal life can be achieved by anyone. An okay life, an okay job, or okay relationships. Anyone can achieve this. But if you are looking for a great life ahead, then you must commit to leading a great life. Do the things that majority do not do. Commit to thinking like minority, not like majority think. Here are the 7 principles to live by for an abundant, happy, and successful life. Number 1, the first principle is live the life like today is the last day for you and you are going to do everything which you always wanted to do in life. The fact is, the life is short and unpredictable. Knowing this, we must live fully today. It is not a recipe for recklessness, rather, a recipe to give your all today. Give your best, very best today in everything you do. Give your greatest energy on this day to your family, to everyone you encounter today. It is reminder for you to live your best self in each moment. What if they could not speak to you tomorrow? What if you are gone tomorrow? What would they speak of you? What can you do today that will leave a lasting positive memories in the lives of everyone you come into contact with? It is about being light-hearted, knowing that in the end none of this stuff matters. The only thing that ever matters is how you made others feel and how you felt in your own heart. It is about knowing that the things can never go with you in the end. The spirit lives on, but the things they die with your physical body. Remembering that we are going to die is the greatest reminder we can have in our daily lives because it keeps us focused on what is really important and what is real. The principle number 2, think like nothing is impossible for you. There is nothing you cannot be, do, or have. If there has been someone, even one person on this planet that has done it before, that means you can do it too. It does not mean it will be easy, but it does mean it is possible. As long as it is possible, you can work toward it. You can make a plan and learn what needs to be done for you to live your craziest, most abundant life. A life most would consider impossible. But you know, impossible broken down states, I am possible. You know, impossible broken down is the simply process of making a plan and willing to work for that plan. The principle number 3 is think nothing is worth it if it doesn't make you happy. If it doesn't make you happy, make you better, don't make time for it. Now, before any of you jump on this, let me clarify. Nothing is worth it, it does not make you happy. That means if it does not make you happy now, you are doing it, or it does not going to make you happy as a result of doing it, it is most likely not worth it. Just about everything worth fighting for is going to require a real fight to win great prizes. You will have to suffer. You will have to sacrifice for almost everything worthwhile in life. But you should ask yourself this question about everything you do in your life. Does this fact happy to you? If the answer is no, ask yourself, will this sacrifice I am making lead to more happiness in long term? If not, you should let it go. The principle number 4 is about being you. Be yourself always. No expectations. It is a search strategy to see so many people on this planet living lives they don't want to live. Just because they listen to other people who did the same, the only way you can be happy in this life, the only way you can be successful is if you be you. Let me repeat, because perhaps it is the most important thing you could ever apply to your life. The only way you can be happy in this life, the only way you can be successful is if you be you. You will never be truly happy in this life if you are constantly doing the things to please others, to compete others with others, or to be like another. You are unique. That is the greatest gift when you follow your own path, regardless it that fits in with others. You open up a space for great things to enter your life. Compare yourself to no one. Compete with no other. Make your own decisions. It will lead to the greatest life ahead. The principle number 5. Don't expect anything from anyone in this life. Everything you need is already within you. In this world, we see endless examples of people who seemingly having it all, materially speaking, but they are empty inside. Things will never complete you. Other people will never complete you. Regardless of worry what Jerry says, there is a saying, needing nothing attracts everything. When you come from a place of needing nothing, of seeking nothing outside yourself to make you happy, you open up a space for most amazing things to enter your life. And if the things don't come, that's fine. You don't need them. Real happiness is never found outside of us. It is not found in possession or wealth. Happiness is always and only found within us. It is a state of mind. Never forget, happiness is the highest level of success. So, do what makes you feel good, then rest will follow you. The principle number 6. Keep your surrounding positive. There is no room for toxic people, but there is never ending space for positive energy and positive people. Surrounding yourself with the energy killers is one of the worst thing you can do if you want to live a happy life, fulfilled and successful life. Unfortunately, not everyone, including friends and family, will share the same positive energy you have. Some will take a while, some might never get there. Let them run their own space, let them run their own race while you focus on living your own happiness. Those who are truly aligned with you will never hold you back from living the life you want to live. Don't ever dim your light to feed in others. Shine bright. Remember, you cannot live a great life, a happy life, if you surrounded yourself with the toxic people. The principle number 7. The focus on what you want. Whatever you focus, you will find. If you search for negativity in this world, you will find plenty of it. If you search for hate, anger, violence, sadness, you will find it. But the same is true on the flip side. If your intention is to search for the good, you will find the good. Whatever meaning you give your life, life will become. Once Buddha said, the way you think, the same you become. It can be a failure or a lesson. heartbreak, or a character building, life is against you or making you a stronger. Because there is no such thing as reality. We choose our own reality by the meaning we give each moment in our lives. Make it your intention to look for the good in your life, to notice the good in others, to be grateful for what you do have, to see challenges as opportunities to show your true character. Remember, what you give your attention to will become your experience in life. Practice seeing the good in your life and in others. Think the best, expect the best. Always ask yourself, how can this benefit my life? Live who you are, love who you are. Look forward, you will become great personality in your life. Thank you.